So my name is Jaimi Harrison and I've just finished a Bachelor of Science at Monash University. I majored in chemistry. So during my internship I've been working in the Future Transport Infrastructure team and I've been doing a lot of work in the laboratory space. So I've been looking at the fatigue properties of aged bitumen, which is essentially a great way to look at the way that bitumen cracks, so once it's out on the road for a long period of time under loads of traffic.
So I've been working on several data analytics projects. The main one being about LiDAR data, which is essentially just a light equivalent of radar that is used to kind of model real life situations.
I've been doing a project looking into applications for recycled plastic in the road sector, so it's involved a bit of a scientific literature review, which has been a new skill to develop for me.
So my time at ARRB has been spent researching the different travel behaviours of young adults in and around Melbourne. So this involved designing a survey and sending it out to nearly over 4,000 people. And essentially we gathered all the data and hopefully we'll be able to write an article that will be published in one of the transport research journals. So I found ARRB a really great place to work. Everyone's so warm and welcoming here. And I've had so much fun and there's been so many different events and activities that I've been able to participate in. So it's been really great.
It was quite a steep learning curve at the beginning, but I think that my time here was really valuable and I did really enjoy learning some new skills and being in a place that was a little bit different to what I might have been used to.
Got to know a lot of people, everyone's been really friendly, the work's been very interesting, it's been a very dynamic and vibrant environment.
So it's been really awesome. Like I said, I've had a lot of chance to do some hands-on laboratory work, so that's been really exciting, and the workplace has been really fun. It's got a lot of young people, a lot of dynamic thinking, and so it's been a really awesome experience here at ARRB.